quite ready for educating your child at home? Thrust into this a bit too quickly? Feeling overwhelmed? Not to worry, we've got you covered. Hello, I'm Samantha from Learning Success, and welcome to Educating at Home, an initiative by Learning Success to help you become the expert educator of your child. It may not feel like it, but research shows that parents can truly be the best educators. We'll be creating new videos every day to make sure you have the knowledge you need to rock this. Make sure to watch them all, and your child is sure to get the best education possible. Today's video is from Jeana Kinne. Jeana received her master's degree in education and has over 18 years of experience working in a variety of positions within the early childhood field. She has worked as a parent educator, preschool director, and currently works with children with special needs. She also has published 3 children's books. Jeana's goals are to improve families and preschool teachers with fun and engaging ways to teach young children important skills. Let's see what Jeana has to say about educating at home.
Hi parents, I wanted to give you a quick tip from an educator's perspective about how to teach your kids from home. A lot of us have been thrown into this new world of being a teacher and a parent, and I want you to know not to stress. As an educator, I learned that there are several different ways that children learn. There actually have been 8 different languages of learning that were created or discovered by this guy named Howard Gardner, who used to work at a university. And if you have an assignment that was given to you for your child and they're not interested in doing it or they don't want to complete it, there's always another way to teach them that concept. Don't be afraid to email your teacher and let them know how your child is responding and see if there's another way that you can teach them that skill. There are 8 different learning languages. There's linguistic, which is word smart. There's logistical, which is the math and reasoning smart. There's spatial, which is picture smart, or building with the blocks and using your hands. There's bodily or kinesthetic smart, which are those kids that love to move and do the best learning while they're moving. There's musical, which are kids who learn best through songs and rhythms, and sometimes stories that have rhythms or lyrics. There's interpersonal, which is people smart, which means that they learn the best by having conversations, doing group type of activities. There's intrapersonal, which is self-smart, which means those are the kids that need to learn things on their own. They do best with some space and time to understand the concept. And then there's the naturalist, that outdoor smart, the kids who love being outdoors in nature, learning new things about the environment. And yes, we can teach our kids algebra and geometry and math, addition, subtraction, and science, and through the outdoors or indoors in so many different ways other than worksheets. So make sure that you stop and take a minute and see how your child learns the best. And then send a message to your teacher or your child's teacher and ask them if there's a way that you can teach them those concepts in that specific way. If your child does need to do worksheets or does need to do book work, then build in some breaks. Build in 10 minutes of worksheets and 5 minutes of running around the house, or 15 minutes of worksheets and then 20 jumping jacks, or get their bodies moving. Kids weren't born to sit down for a long period of time, and neither were we. I like to tell the story about going into a college classroom and which class was I looking the most forward to. Did I want to go to a classroom that had a 2-hour long lecture of somebody telling me what to do and me writing down notes? Or did I want to go to a classroom that had hands-on projects, community discussions, and really take away things that I was learning. I always learned the best when I was doing those hands-on engaging activities. And your child does too. So don't stress if your child doesn't want to do the book work. Don't stress if they're not getting the concept right away. Take a step back, give them time, ask your teacher how to modify it for your kids, because your kids will learn the concept. They just learn it in their own way, and that's okay. I hope this helped you guys.
Thank you, Jeana. Kids weren't born to sit for a long period of time. Intervals in between do not just give pause for a bit, but it also gives them time to digest all the learning. Great advice! If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to share it on social media. Use the hashtag EAH for Educating at Home. And remember, you've got this. The fact that you're here watching this video means you're an amazing parent. And that's a wonderful thing to be.